Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. Today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, a federal holiday where we honor his legacy of equality, justice, and service. This week's featured course is Intellectual Property Protection. It covers proven strategies for protecting your key business assets through copyrights, trademarks, and patents, helping you to understand the practical steps to secure and defend your intellectual property effectively. Our expert of the week is Liz Hyman, CEO and Chief Strategist of Regarding Sales. Click the link below to check out her top 3 tips for small business success. Jennifer Lopez, owner and founder of Lopez and Associates Behavior Consulting, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to discover more about her and her business. Do you think there's a limit to how large your business can grow? If so, you'll want to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Bryan Clayton about the lessons learned in creating an 8-figure lawn care business. Last week, I spoke with Moza-Bella Tram about achieving your dreams by being true to yourself. Also, you don't want to miss our podcast on Thursday morning with Jeffrey Magee on Changeformational Theory, how to win in tomorrow's market space. Additional events this week. On Tuesday, MSU's Feliciano Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation is having a webinar about bookkeeping for small businesses. Also, don't miss out on discounts for Small Business Pro University merch, available tomorrow through Sunday. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.